Hi everyone, welcome to Seminar 2. Let's click on Seminar 2 and review the requirements for this week. For this week, you're going to be reading chapters 5, 6, 9, and 10. We're going to be focused on the role of elasticity and supply and demand. Here's a video on the price elasticity of demand. Here's also a good practice quiz on the price elasticity of demand. You'll notice that the elasticity concept is a very important concept to evaluate. Elasticity is looking at how consumers respond to changes in the prices of goods. Goods can either be inelastic or elastic, depending upon the changes that are developed in terms of how we view a good. For example, when we look at an inelastic good, consumers will continue to buy it if they need the good. So if there's a price change, you'll see consumers will buy it. That'll be an inelastic good. It'll be an elastic good if there's a price change and consumers don't buy it. They're very sensitive to the price change. So those are some things that we're going to focus on. For Seminar 2 in the current event focus, make sure to focus on any of these concepts that you find an article on. Make sure that you key in on the economic terms, use of a graph, which you can copy and paste from any site that you would like to, and also make sure to focus on APA formatting. There's different APA formatting sites that I have for you, and I'm going to show you them after I'm done with this. You also have the purpose statement, which is a research paper that you're going to start building, and you'll build it in later weeks. But for this one, it's an outline of what you're going to do, and you're going to be basically answering these questions right here. So what I want you to do is put those questions as subheaders in your paper to present those issues. And make sure that you're using APA formatting as well, as that's where a lot of people miss their points. So focus on APA formatting, which includes an in-text citation and reference. Then you have the case study, which is due by Wednesday. And when you look at the case study, you want to review this background information. And now what you want to do is, here's the case study right here. You're hired to give them advice, give them specific goals, state the goals, describe the time frame, indicate an action plan, but make sure to focus on a title page, a reference page, and in-text citations to support your work. That will be key, and that will be very important with your development in your work. You also have Seminar 2 participation. With Seminar 2 participation, I'm grading 10 posts of at least one paragraph in length. They can be to any of my questions. They can be to any of your peers as well. But that's key, those 10 responses. Now, if we click over here on the Seminar tab for the APA formatting, you'll notice right here you have APA formatting and citations that you can include in your work. So you can include this. You want to review this. And then if we click over to the announcement area, I have an announcement that's specifically for APA formatting. Here's an example for your discussion board. That's important. But here it is. Here's a template. So you can use this template for future assignments and just change the name and heading as well. If you need any help with your assignments, or if you need me to pre-grade your work, please let me know, as I'm more than willing to do that, as I look forward to your effort by the due date, as no late work's accepted. But I look forward to your effort.